So in this short clip, we're going to be talking about how to make your own chicken strips. I'm starting off here with a piece of chicken breast. This is a piece of chicken breast that I have actually already fried up, so you can just fry up a piece of chicken breast in your frying pan. And just to let you know that there are some places that you can actually get bulk orders of things like chicken breast. So you could get 40 pounds of it, and you'll be spending a lot less money than if you just go to the supermarket and buy it the way you would buy it for, say, a small family. So you can look into that. But we're going to be using chicken breast here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off thin slices. And it's already been cooked, which makes it easier for me to cut. And I'm cutting off very thin slices of the chicken breast. A lot of times people go to the store and buy chicken breast jerky, and what we're doing here is just showing you how you can make it yourself. Although chicken breast might be somewhat expensive, it's certainly cheaper to buy it yourself. To buy the chicken breast yourself and make the jerky yourself. And what you can do with this once we've got it made is you can use it as a treat, training treats, as a chew treat, or to cut it up into small pieces and sprinkle it on the dog food. So what I'm doing now is I'm laying the chicken breast out on a small pan. I'm laying it flat. It's fairly dry already, as you can see. I'm going to lay the pieces very flat like this. Those extra bits we don't have to do anything with. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the toaster oven. I'm going to cook it at a very low heat at about 150 for about 20 minutes. If you cook it on too high a heat, you're basically just going to be burning the chicken. Remember, it's cut very thin, so it doesn't take a lot to cook it. What we are trying to do is dry it out. So we're going to put it on a very low heat, about 150, and we're going to cook it for about 30 minutes. And you can see we've got the thin slices. They're nice and crispy. And once they've cooled, they're a little bit warm right now. Once they're cooled, we can use these as treats or chews for the dog.